Hi Empower We family, welcome again to another video where we do what? Empower you and empower me, and it's all about Empower We. This afternoon I want to talk about how to manage or maximize your time. And in doing that, I'm not just talking about regular time management. I'm talking about your time that you're given for your lifespan. Managing your time that you're given for life. And the first thing I want to say, that the time that you're given for your lifespan is like a non-refundable check. When that time expires, you cannot get it back. And so you want to use this time for your life. You want to use it purposefully. You want to make use of this time. How do we do that? Here are a few tips. Tip number 1. I want you to align yourselves with people who are not just going nowhere, persons with a purpose. So when you are aligned with persons with a purpose, you get involved in purposeful things. And at the end, you do not just waste a day sitting and talking and another day sitting and talking, but at the end of it, you can look back and you can say, I did this or I did that, because you would have been in the company of persons who encourage you to get involved in meaningful things and add to the meaning of your life. Secondly, check in with yourself regularly. Do a time check. So from time to time, check in with yourself and note your accomplishments. This is how my life has been going. So check in with yourself, note your accomplishments, and so you will be keeping track of your life. How have I been spending my life? And thirdly, I want to say to you that you have to remember that it is not all about doing things for money. You have to get involved in some altruistic activities, some things that you do that you don't get paid for, but it's meaningful and you're writing your legacy. You would have added to life and you would have enriched somebody's life by doing these things that do not come at any cost to anybody. You don't get any pay for these things, and that's one of the biggest ways to ensure that you manage your time well. And then I want to say to you, I want you to bear in mind that time is given to us by God, and His time is different from our time. We do not know our time. Our understanding of time is limited in comparison to His. So sometimes things may happen in time that we do not understand. Don't worry about it. And I want to say to you also that where time is concerned, what does the Bible say? There is a time for everything, good and bad, you name it, a time for everything. So bear that in mind even as you think about your time on earth. And those are my tips for today on how to manage your time, your gift of time. Thank you. Oh, remember, subscribe, comment, like, and share. And bye again from Tracy P on Empower We.
I can break it. That can cut out.